Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is 28th of June, Monday 2021. Today is the first trading day of the week, and technically this is the last week of the month. Overall the market was consolidated, but we managed beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time to bank amazing pips. Right, so if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's move straight to the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD trade. If you look at the Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour, and you can see huge consolidation, price is developing its sideways market. And within the sideways markets, we have this small breakout. We managed to bank few pips. That's the only trade we had it. And let me share with you the intraday analysis of Euro USD. You can see here we had only one trade. That was a pretty straightforward. We had analysis that was the after the market open last night. That was a beautiful breakout based on the momentum, and that's what I always mention to my traders. Stay with the momentum. As you can see here, beautiful breakout as soon as the price developed. Beautiful triple top, beautiful and wedge breakout. That's what we explained. And as soon as the price hit to the major support level, that's what we explained to traders, banks. It's time to bank pips and enjoying pipping. So right, that was the only one trade we had at Euro USD, but we managed quite interesting trades, especially on pound dollar. Right, so if I show you the pound dollar 4-hour chart, as you can see here, the price keep respecting this level. This if you look at this candle, I did analysis at the market open. The price developed inside candle pattern, which is in decision mode. We had this breakout last night and banked beautiful pips this morning as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level. We also had a one pullback, and afterwards we are short on pound dollar. Let me share with you guys on the intraday analysis on pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, let me quickly. This is the analysis I did at the market open. Beautiful breakout because the price was at the major support level at this level in 4-hour, and that's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break the recent high and recent low, and then we're going to take a trade. As you can see here, price did not break the recent low, but the price nicely broke on the previous high, and beautiful breakout momentum developed bullish. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the final target. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level in 4-hour, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to enjoying pipping. So that was a beautiful trade on pound dollar. And afterwards, I also explained to my trader that look for another pullback after the breakout. As you can see, bank beautiful pips and look for another pullback, a few more pippies on pound dollar. And afterwards, the price developed and consolidation. That's what we explained. And we managed only a few pippies, which is technically we came out at the break even, this breakout. And at the New York session, we had explained to trader look for another pullback, which we had another beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low. Bank another few 10, 15, 20 pips on this one. Then afterwards, price reverse, and explain to my trader if the price is going to retest this resistance level, then we're expecting a short trade here. Otherwise, in intraday, if the price is going to break after the breakout price retest, then we're going to take a long. Otherwise, we mainly focus on short trade here because that's what we price it was at the major resistance level. So you can see here, price broken but could not maintain this level. That's what we explained to live RJ commentary. We had a beautiful break, pullback short trade here. We announced another pullback scaling trade as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. That's what we explained to trader. It's time to enjoying pipping. So bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. That was a good trade. And the dollar CAD, we had only one trade. Let me share with you guys. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as explained to my trader, price was we were looking this way, symmetric triangle pattern breakout. We were expecting a long trade here. As you can see here, we had a beautiful breakout long trade here. That was the breakout, and afterwards, if you look at right now, the price sort of again developing it another bull flag pattern. And if I show you the intraday analysis, that was the beautiful breakout in 4-hour. You can see here, that's what we explained to trader in analysis. If the price is going to break the previous high or this level, which price nicely respected here. As you can see here, price repeatedly respecting this level and could not break, and momentum was bullish and beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the final target, which is technically previous high on dollar CAD. and that's what we explain to trader. It's time to enjoying profit, banking beautiful pips. So we had a beautiful breakout long trade on dollar CAD, and just a few minutes ago we had a beautiful short trade on pound yen, guys. That was a beautiful trade, and this you can see here we had this beautiful breakout, because when the price developed sideways market, when I look at the price respecting this major resistance level, you can see here price respected here, respected here, respected here. So expecting another, and if you look at the previous candle was the bearish inside candle pattern, that gave us the significant information. We had this beautiful breakout short trade on pound yen, and let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis. You can see here we were long previously, bank beautiful pips, afterwards another sideways market developed. You can see that was a beautiful breakout short trade, so we really enjoyed it. Pound yen trade, bank amazing pips. All right guys, I hope you're enjoying all this analysis. The most important thing, as I said to you guys, you should be watching all the analysis in the real time, enjoying pipping in real time, and developing your trade skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skills, definitely I can open door for you guys to get funded from prop firms. Or even if you're an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my professional trader. Or if you are interested how to get funded, feel free, book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description, guys. Most welcome if you are interested to know how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and help them to get funded to trade with the funded account. If you are interested, feel free. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.